Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to remove search suggestions and clear your search history on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open Instagram on your phone. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the search bar at the top. Here, you will see your recent searches and search suggestions. If you want to remove a single search, tap the X next to it. To remove everything at once, tap See All in the top right corner. Then tap Clear All. Confirm the action if prompted. If you do not see the See All option, there is another way. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Select your activity. Scroll down and tap on Recent Searches. Then tap Clear All at the top right. Confirm by tapping Clear All again. Your Instagram search history and search suggestions will now be removed. So this is how you can clear search suggestions on Instagram. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.